Okay guys, so I have some chicken breast here that I'm going to season, and I'm going to roast in the oven on my cast iron griddle. Okay, so what we're going to do is, first of all, I'm going to just sprinkle some coconut oil on it. I'm going to add some salt, some sea salt to it. Okay, now I'm going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend. I'm just going to press it in. Okay, so what I have my cast iron preheating in the oven. So I'm going to bring it over now and to rest the chicken on it. That is very hot. Okay, so now I'm going to rest the chicken. Can you hear the sizzle? As the spices hit the cast iron, I can smell the spices on the chicken. And it smells good. Put this one on first. If you're interested in getting one of these cast iron griddles, I will leave a link in the description for you. Okay, so now we're going to season up this other side. You can do your chicken like this if you want to put it in wraps, that you can slice it up and you can put it in a wrap, or you could even put it like in a salad, make a chicken salad. Okay, so what I'm also going to do to help me with this is I'm going to use my meat thermometer. So here I have the probe, and I'm going to stick it into the meat so it will help me know when it has reached the desired temperature. Again, I will leave a link in the description for this meat thermometer. Okay, let me think. Oh yeah, okay, I'll stick it in on this side. Let's not plug that in there yet. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing one of these. So what you do is you stick the probe into the meat like that. All right, so let's head over now to the oven.